If you want to use a sound equalizer on Soundcore Space One, first we need to open a Soundcore app on the smartphone device that we have paired with our headset. Then select Space One, scroll down and look for the sound effects. If you enter it, you can switch between default options and then pick a preset for a music, which will automatically adjust a equalizer for it. Or alternatively, we can go for Hear ID sound, test and personalize your Hear ID sound now. You can start the hearing test and preferences. Make sure to wear your headset during that and follow the instructions on screen. Next is a custom equalizer, which allows you to customize your equalizer settings manually. And then you can also create a new profile. And there's many different options for the profile, so you can create a couple of them and have a different custom equalizers ready to go.